Presenting a pre-owned 2023 Chevrolet Equinox LT 4x4. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 1.5-liter i4 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet is a great value with less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.